Tonight, we're going to explore the anchor of our existence, gravity. You know the feeling, the heaviness in your chest when you're tired, the stone dropping from a bridge, accelerating into the dark. It feels absolute. It feels like the most powerful master in the world. But that feeling is a lie. Go to your kitchen, take a simple souvenir magnet and hold it over a paperclip. Snap. The clip lifts off the table. Think about that for a moment. Really let it sink in. That tiny magnet, no bigger than a coin, just defeated the gravitational pull of the entire planet Earth. Every mountain, every ocean, the molten core, 6 sextillion tons of iron and rock pulling down. And they lost to a fridge magnet. It unsettles you, doesn't it? It should. Before we descend into this mystery, if you enjoy questioning reality with us, a like helps this channel stay afloat. We need to understand the scale of this impossible weakness. Imagine the strength of the force holding your atoms together. Electromagnetism is the brightness of the sun. Gravity isn't a candle. It isn't a spark. It is a single photon in a dark room. Gravity is 10,000 billion times weaker than the other forces of nature. Physicists call this the hierarchy problem. It suggests that the force which orchestrates the dance of galaxies, the force that traps us here on this lonely rock, is barely there at all. It is the weakest giant in the cosmos. And the terrifying part, we don't know where its real strength is hiding. So, if gravity is the weakest giant, why does it feel so heavy? Sit very still for a moment. Feel the pressure of the chair against your back. Your intuition tells you that the earth is pulling you down. That gravity is a tether, gripping you tight to the floor. But 100 years ago, Einstein whispered a terrifying secret. There is no tether. There is no pull. Imagine a heavy sleeper sinking into a soft mattress. They bend the fabric around them. Einstein saw that massive objects, stars, planets, you bend the fabric of space and time itself. You aren't being pulled down. You are simply sliding along a curve in the universe. The only reason you feel weight is because the floor is interrupting your fall. We are all just falling through geometry. It is a beautiful, elegant map of reality, smooth, continuous, like a sheet of silk. But there is a problem, a crack in the lens. If we zoom in past the chair, past the atoms, down to the subatomic foam, that smoothness shatters. Here, in the quantum realm, nothing is smooth. Everything is pixelated, frantic, chaos. The other forces play by these rules. Light has the photon. Magnetism has its messengers. So, where is gravity's particle? We call it the graviton. It is the ghost we cannot catch. Because when we try to force gravity into this quantum world, the math doesn't just fail, it screams. Our map of the stars and our map of the atoms refuse to speak to each other. Let's leave the quantum noise behind. Let's zoom out, way out, past the atmosphere, past the silence of the moon, to the very edge of what we can see. Imagine for a moment you are on a playground merry-go-round. If it spins gently, you can sit comfortably. But if someone straps a rocket to it and spins it at 1,000 miles an hour, you can't hold on. You fly off into the grass. The physics is simple. Speed requires grip. Well, our galaxy is that merry-go-round. The stars are moving so fast, they should be flung out into the deep blackness. If we sum up all the gravity from every star, every planet, every gas cloud we can see, it isn't enough. The math says the galaxy should tear itself apart. But it doesn't. The stars stay. Why? Because what we see is only a fraction of reality. There is a ghost in the machine. We call it dark matter. It is an invisible scaffolding, outweighing everything we can touch 5 to 1. clutching the galaxy together. And yet, look even further, and gravity is losing a different war. The empty space between galaxies is stretching, pushed by dark energy, driving the universe apart. It leaves us in a deeply strange place. Gravity is the silent architect. It reached out into the chaotic dawn of time, gathered the dust, and crushed it until it ignited into stars. It gathered the remnants to make rock and water, and eventually you. It anchors your feet to the floor right now. It is the most constant presence in your life, and yet it remains a stranger. We are held by a hand we cannot see, built by a force we cannot explain. It is a reminder of our beautiful, terrifying cosmic loneliness. The thing that holds us down is the one thing we cannot truly grasp.